Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're going to be comparing the old school EZ Lube Grease Caps with the new style EZ Lube Grease Caps. Let's dive into it. Alright, so today we're just taking a quick look at the old style or common style, really the only style there's been for the EZ Lube Grease Caps versus the new style that just came out here recently. We're just going to compare apples to apples and tell you why Carter axles will be fitted with the new kind very soon. All Carter axles will be using the new style EZ Lube Grease Caps versus the old style. And here's why. So the old style right here, they're pretty thin and really easy to get damaged. If you bang them up against something, they're going to dent up. Or if they get knocked off your hubs, then more than likely they're going to be a little bent and not perfectly round anymore. And when these guys are not perfectly round, it makes it hell to try to get them back in. It's almost impossible to get them back in if they're not perfectly round. Versus the new style, you can see they're a lot thicker than the old style. I'll show you. So this one is 0.01 and the new style is 0.09. So right there, if these get knocked off or if they get banged up, it's going to be a lot harder to dent these, and they're not going to go out of round where you can easily put them back on, versus these that will go out of round real quick. Just looking at this in the camera, it kind of looks like these are out of round right now already, versus these that are perfectly round. So that's going to make it a lot easier to get them back in, first off, because you don't have to worry about them being perfectly round, because these are going to be perfectly round. You're not going to accidentally bang these up and get them out of round. Next, this is just steel right here, and this is going to be a heavy duty aluminum, so it's solid. Much better. The other thing I like about the new style is that you see the lip on here. Well, there's no lip on here, so whenever you go to try to take these off, there's really no way to get them off besides hitting them with a hammer, like a rubber mallet, to knock them off, unless you have a special tool that you can stick over these to get them off. Without that special tool, the only other way is to really just knock them off with a rubber mallet, which is going to bend them up little by little when you're knocking them off, which is going to cause it to go out of round, which is going to make it very difficult to get them back on. Versus these guys, you see it has a nice lip right here on the edge, and if you see right here, it actually has a little lip right here where you can stick like a flathead and hit it off with a flathead, or you can just hit it right along this edge, because this edge will be exposed past the hub, so you can actually just hit it with a flathead anywhere around this edge and get it off. And then very easy to put it back on too, because since it's a heavy duty aluminum cast style, it's not going to bend up or anything, so you can just stick it back on there and hit it back on. Versus these, you got to get it perfectly in place and hit it on, and it's a real pain, to be honest. So that's why we're going with these. Carter axles will be outfitted with these. All Carter axles, hopefully in the next few months, will all come standard with these new style heavy duty aluminum grease caps. If you do happen to knock one of these off and lose them, you can always replace them with the standard grease cap that you can find anywhere. So these interchange with each other, they're the same size, so you can run these or these and be fine. So say if you lose one of these going down the road and you want to upgrade, you can get one of these to upgrade, or if you lose one of these, you can buy these. Either way. So that's showing the differences, and why we prefer the new style ones versus the standard. We're always trying to make our products better and figure out how we can do that, and this is just one way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can get these products at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. I don't know if it does anything for YouTube, but it sure makes me feel better. Thanks for watching.